Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to talk about the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now, as you know, a highway is being built from Kingston to Port Antonio and it's going to pass through St. Thomas. It's called the Southern Coastal Highway. So, it's literally going to bring how would you say now? It's going to put St. Thomas back on the map. St. Thomas was often referred to as the forgotten parish. But so with this highway, you can get to St. Thomas in probably 15-20 minutes from Harborview or from Kingston. So a lot of economic, a lot of business and stuff is going to start happening in St. Thomas. So the government, who I must say is doing a very good job with the building of these highways, is investing 6 billion Jamaican dollars in the Morant Bay Urban Center. So this is going to be where the Goodyear factory used to be in St. Thomas, and it's going to be 436,000 square feet, or it's going to be a 436,000 square foot Morant Bay Urban Center. It's going to be at the site of the old Goodyear factory in St. Thomas. Now they're going to have to obviously do a lot of renovation and stuff. So of course the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company, and NCB, National Commercial Bank, is actually they're giving a loan for the project, which is good because usually these local entities don't want to invest in like roads or those kind of things, because the highways that are being built, when they first started, it was loans from like Highway 2000. You couldn't get a loan from a local bank to build that. It had to be, they said no. They had to get the funding from the China Exim Bank. So the fact that NCB is actually giving the loan, the $6 billion loan for this project, is a good sign. It shows that things are changing in Jamaica, and it's good. Okay, so the Factories Corporation of Jamaica has signed a contract with China Harbour Engineering Company to renovate the building. Now, this facility is going to house about 50 entities, some private, some government owned. For example, you're going to have a call center in there. You're going to have a bank. You're going to have food places. You're also going to have the parish council office for St. Thomas over there. You're going to have a lot of government entities. Now, I've always wondered why all these government entities are spread out all over the place. You should have one building in every major town or every capital that houses all these different entities, because it would be cheaper. It would be so much easier for the offices to communicate with each other. But it's good that this is happening in St. Thomas. Okay, so the actual facility now is going to be run by the Morant Bay Urban Center Limited, or MBUC Limited. They will own and operate the facility. Okay, so basically that's it. It's going to be 436,000 square feet. Now, when this project was originally, originally to be implemented, was 365,000 square feet. But the response that they got for the project, the amount of people that wanted to rent space in there, they decided to expand it to 436,000 square feet. So the original cost of the project was 5 billion and it went up to 5.9 billion. And NCB said, no problem, we'll facilitate it. Okay, among the entities to take up space at the development are the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, Ministry of Justice through the St. Thomas Parish Court, other government entities located in Morant Bay, and several private sector companies including KFC, Burger King, and business process outsourcing (BPO) companies. So right away, if you have KFC in there, you know it's going to have a lot of traffic. I've never seen a KFC in any plaza that doesn't have traffic. So right away, and then you have Burger King, which is very good. Now this project should have started already, but because of COVID, it was delayed. Now there is one small aspect that's concerning, and when the contract was signed for China Harbour Engineering Company to be the contractor, it stated in the contract that 80% of the labor force was to come from the area, meaning St. Thomas. Now that is very disturbing because that probably means the project is not going to finish on time. Based on what's happening with the Southern Coastal Highway, I mean, I'm not sure why they would go as high as 80%. I don't know. That's very concerning, and that's something that we definitely have to keep, or the contractor definitely has to keep on top of, because what's happening with this local contractors on the Southern Coastal Highway is very, very concerning. Let's put it that way. Okay, so this project is expected that approximately 3,000 new jobs will be generated, which will utilize the local labor force. And of course, at the signing to get everything going, you know, you had all the politicians, the mayor, the bank, everybody. So this is a very big project. The Prime Minister has endorsed it, and it definitely will. If this works, I'm sure this model will be used for other parishes. So I hope it will work, and it should. The only concern is the 80% local labor force. I mean, that probably means delays in the project, etc., etc. But once finished, I think this is an excellent idea, and we'll keep you guys updated. They're supposed to actually start soon, or maybe they've started already with the leveling of the land and all of that. But it should get going very soon, and we'll keep you guys updated on the progress. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.